In this March Repricing Central update, we have introduced a delisted listing table with the goal of eliminating Amazon potential pricing error that is causing your product being delisted. BQool Repricing Central users can now correct the min-max price for listings that suffer from potential pricing error on the delisted listing table. Here are the steps to edit min-max price for delisted listings using the table. Step 1. Go to Manage Listing and select Delisted in the drop-down menu on the search bar to open the delisted listing table. Step 2. Search a delisted listing by SKU or ASIN. The delisted product will then be shown in the search result. Step 3. You can decide if you want to modify min price, max price, and the assign repricing rule for the delisted listing. If the listing had the enabled repricing status when it was delisted, Repricing Central will reprice the listing with a new min-max price and rule when it is relisted on Amazon. We hope you have enjoyed our delisted table instruction. If you have any questions, please email us at support@BQool.com. Thanks for watching.